To use the Active Directory sync, firstly you need to navigate to the Integrations tab of your SwipedOn web dashboard. Click on the Download Trial button for the Active Directory Sync agent. Note that you'll need to be on an enterprise plan to be able to download the sync agent. Log into the Active Directory Sync agent, entering your username and password that is used to log in to the SwipedOn web dashboard as a company admin. Once you have completed this, enter the server address and base along with the Active Directory username and password login and click Connect. If you're not sure of these details, please contact your Active Directory administrator. Next, the Active Directory employee's office can be mapped to the SwipedOn locations, so select the appropriate locations. If any employees do not have an office set up within Active Directory, click on the Assign Employees Without a Mapped Office to, choose a location, then click Map to complete this step. Now map any of your employee fields from within Active Directory to the SwipedOn employee custom fields. For example, here you can see that I can map my contact home number to my emergency contact that was created as a custom employee field within the SwipedOn web dashboard. You can also choose which telephone field from Active Directory is mapped to the SwipedOn phone field. You should choose the field which contains mobile numbers that can receive SMS. This will begin to sync and show any existing employees that were added outside of Active Directory. Here you can choose to ignore when synchronizing or removed from SwipedOn. Ignored employees won't be considered by future sync events. Removed employees will be archived in SwipedOn. Once you have selected an option, the sync will begin. Then you can see all those listed that have been able to successfully sync. If you scroll to the end of the list, any employees that failed to sync will appear here along with the reason why the sync failed. You can then schedule future sync events if required to ensure all employees are kept up to date. You've now successfully completed your Active Directory sync. Note that you'll need to keep the sync agent running on your computer. Minimized is fine for the scheduled syncs to run.